how to create a website for a wellness shop. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you step by step how to create a website for your wellness shop. Okay, so it may sound difficult, but in fact it's really easy to do, and it's going to last you only 10 minutes of your time. So let's get back to our website. All you need to do is to create an account on squarespace.com, and as you can see, I have already made couple of websites. All you need to do is to click on create a website. Okay, so here you can browse all the templates that are the Squarespace is offering us. They have a lot of beautiful templates, and all you need to do is to point a tick on your type and the topic of your website. So we are going to create a wellness shop. It would be an online store, and here we need to add a topic. So it's going to be healthy and beauty. Okay, so as you can see, there are 6 best template matches that Squarespace is offering us. We can choose the best one, the best that suits you from these ones. So as for me, I would really like to choose this one. It looks great. Here you can change the sample color presets. For example, you can see right here all the colors of your website, but you can change in the second all the colors of your website right here. For example, I really like this one. I just click on start with this design. So it's going to prepare a dashboard for our website. It's going to be in seconds. Okay, so it's saving our colors. Okay, so everything is loaded up, and the next step, we need to create a name for our website. I'm going to tell to name this website Wellness is in your heart. Okay, I think it's a great name for our website. Here is going to tell you how to edit, how to add products on your magazine, but I'm going to tell you by myself. Okay, so as you can see, we are in our dashboard of our website. It's going to tell us what all the features we have. As you can see here in the left side of the website, so here is the website, the pages of it, the styles, the assets of it. We can also see the selling. There are products that you can add, the marketing, so you can grow your audience by these marketing contacts, all the members of your website, all the customers and email subscribers, you just add them here. Then analytics, you can traffic your sources of people that are opening your website, their engagement, the sales of your product. Here is the invoicing. You can send professional invoices here. Content and memberships. You can sell paywalled content here. Add products. So here you can add the donations for visitors, for users, for your website, contributions, to see a list of donators. But let's get back to our website. So as you can see, we are on the desktop view. We can also see the mobile view of our website, how it will look on mobile phones of our customers. Okay, so everything looks good. Let's head to the editing of our website. As you can see, here is the edit button. Okay, so there is an editing button. We can start editing right here, and let me show you how it works. So as you can see, we are in our home page of our website, and our homepage is divided into the sections. So the first one is header, and the last one is the footer. And those are main sections. So if you don't like, for example, this section, you don't need it, you just remove it, remove, and it's going to be removed. Okay, so if you want to add a section, just tap on here, add a section. Now I would like to add a section right here. So for example, you can choose from those. Okay, the contact form would be here. Okay, now it looks great. And if you want to add something on your section, you just click on add block, and here what you can add text, button, form, newsletter, shape, line, map, markdown, summary, social links, image, video, audio, accordion, scrolling, quote, embedded code, calendar, and chart. There are a lot of things that you can add, but those are the basics. And let me show you how it works. So for example, I would like to add a map right here. So we just need to, here it is, the map. So we go into edit right here in the end of this section. So for example, where our shop is located. Okay, so let's move it right here in the middle, and this one right here in the middle too. Okay, we need to scale it up a bit. Okay, now it looks good. So how to edit the map? For example, you just click on here, edit. Okay, so here you need to write a state. For example, I would add here the Washington DC. Okay, here is the Washington. I'm going to put our mark in the 19th Street, okay, right here. So if you would click on this mark, the Google Maps will load and it will show you what you have marked. So as you can see, I have marked I think this one. It is the Hubbard House Museum. Okay, so you can design this map. For example, change it to the dark one. You can also add or delete the elements from your map. So as you can see, it's really easy to edit, and when you are ready editing your website, just click on save and then exit. So to use your website properly, you need to add a subscription plan. So in fact, there are 4 subscription plans that you can buy. The first one is the cheapest one. It costs $16 per month, the personal. The most popular is for business. It costs $23 per month. Next one is going the commerce basic. It costs $28 per month. And the last one is the commerce advanced. It costs $52 per month. Okay guys, so choose the best plan, the best that suits you. Here are the main features of every plan. You can see them right here. So guys, if you have known something new from my video, please leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.